take your notepad. I'm going to display 12 scenarios, 12 photographs on the screen. What you have to do right now is just write the alphabets A to L on your notepad. In a notebook, whatever you have, write A to L. As I'm showing the scenarios are going to be labeled A, B, C, D, E, F, G up to L. As I'm showing the scenarios, you just have to write yes if you would like to be in that situation, or write no if you don't want to be in that situation. Okay, simple. That's all. Ready? Yeah, they will be in the form of a photo. Yes. Okay, let's move on. This is scenario A. Is it a desirable scenario for you? Would you like to be in an environment like this? Scenario B. I hope you're getting the drift, what I'm doing here. This is scenario B. This is scenario C. This is D. E. This is F. This is G. H. I. J. K. L. All right, so okay, listen kids. Now my question to you, 99% all of you had answered the same way. Okay, some scenarios all of you had said yes, some scenarios all of you had told no. What do you understand from this? You can type in the comment box. All of us want to live happily but never want to suffer. Bang on. That's that. Great. That's the answer that I was looking for. Okay. Now, the first reason why people seek entertainment is, like all of you have told, is to derive happiness. The Vedanta Sutras, the Vedic literature say, Anandamayo Abhyasat, Anandamayo Abhyasat. By nature, we are full of happiness. Anandamaya. We are full of Ananda means bliss. Okay. We are full of happiness. And because we are full of happiness, we want to experience happiness all the time. By nature, the soul, the spirit is full of happiness. Sat Chit Ananda Vigraha. This body, I explained to you, it is Asat, Achit, Nirananda all the time. If you take a look at the body is not capable of producing continuous happiness or continuous sense gratification. It's not capable. Like, say for instance, if you keep eating some delicious item that you like the most, you keep eating that, you keep eating, what will happen after some time? Your body will say no. So you cannot experience pleasure continuously, but we can experience pain continuously. Why I said Nirananda? If you see, say somebody has met with an accident or something, right? For months, that person may experience pain in the place where the accident, where the bone is broken or some damage has happened. But that same level of continuous enjoyment, the body cannot provide. So the body provides enjoyment in only some conditions. Certain conditions, the body can provide enjoyment. Otherwise, it is not possible. Okay. So this is the nature of the body, whereas a spirit, there is absolutely no distress at all. There is only enjoyment. Continuous enjoyment is what is provided by the spirit. Okay, let me ask you a question. Is there anybody who wants to suffer, who wants to be in a warlike situation, who wants to go to jail? Tell me who wants. Say yes. Say yes if you want to suffer. Nobody. Not you. No, nobody. Right? Nobody wants suffering. So now you don't see a parrot with crows. You don't see swans with crows. Right? Like attracts like. Now, because we are full of happiness, we also seek happiness. We also seek happiness. Okay. Now, Remember this, Anandamayo Bhyasat. The spirit is by nature full of happiness.